Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp Z watch, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. First, we need to open the Zepp application on our phone. Of course, the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on profile icon, select our watch from the list of devices, Zepp Z. Now let's tap on the store. And here we have the watch face store, and we can basically select and install any app from this, or rather watch face from this store. We have different categories, as you can see. So for example, let's open a Sense of Science category by tapping on more. And here we have the list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. Find the one you like, for example, this one. Select the watch face by tapping on it. And then you can tap on the sync button right here to download it and apply it on your watch. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied, as you can see. And that's how you install custom or additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.